Claim: did Canada's civic body ask residents to leash dogs to be courteous to Muslim? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A viral image of a flyer circulated numerous times every now and then on social media shows a notice with a Pitt Meadows City logo resembling an official emblem. The flyer contains the text, "Please be courteous to your Muslim neighbors." Many Muslims live in this area and dogs are considered filthy in Islam. Please keep your dogs on a leash and away from the Muslims who live in this community. Residents of Vancouver, Canada, have spotted several signs around the city asking people to keep their dogs away, as dogs are considered filthy and haram in Islam. What do you think? The claim asserts an official directive from the Pitt Meadows City Hall, which suggests a formal community guideline in BC Park. Over the years, this image has been resurfacing on the internet several times, hurting religious sentiments and appears to incite division. Fact check. Truth, false. The notice is not authentic and was not issued by the Pitt Meadows City Hall. Fact check details. Digit India decided to fact check this claim and performed a reverse image search to check the authenticity of it. We discovered that this image was shared several times over social media and originated in September 2017. Several media outlets have covered this already in 2017, like the report by Abbotsford News. They highlight how Carolyn Baldridge, manager of communications for the city, said the signs bear the city logo but do not originate from City Hall. They were found at Hoffman Park, which is a designated dog off-leash area. Find a section from it below. Such posts continued to appear, for instance, one in 2023, here, among many others. The city of Pitt Meadows issued a statement on 19 August 2024 clarifying that the signs, which bore the city's logo, were not authorized or created by City Hall. They were promptly removed, and the city emphasized its commitment to a welcoming, multicultural community. Find the link to the official statement here. A report by Maple Ridge Pitt Meadows News quotes Shakil Gaya, founder and president of the Islamic Society of Ridge Meadows. According to him, observant Muslims are allowed to keep dogs for the purpose of hunting and guarding. However, if a dog licks a Muslim before praying, they must wash themselves. Thus, the flyer is fabricated and an official statement by the Pitt Meadows City Hall has clarified this. Claim: a notice from the Pitt Meadows City Hall requests residents to be courteous to Muslim neighbors, stating that dogs are considered unclean in Islam and should be kept leashed and away from the community. Conclusion: false. The notice is not authentic and was not issued by the Pitt Meadows City Hall. Rating: totally false. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit India.